Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now, power the watch off and take the band off to expose edges. Apply gentle heat for 60–90 seconds to the screen perimeter. This softens the adhesive, making separation safer. Use a small suction cup to lift a gap and insert a thin plastic pick. Don't force metal tools. Once you have clearance, slide the pick around the bezel to keep the seal broken. This preserves the display and keeps pressure off fragile connectors. Once the screen is hinged, you must disconnect components in a deliberate order. First unscrew any visible shields, then gently lift connectors with a plastic tool to free the display and digitizer. Make sure the battery connector is isolated next. Disconnecting it reduces short risk while you work. Keep screws organized and photograph each step for reassembly. If the adhesive left residue, clean with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free swab. Reinstall the screen connectors temporarily, then reconnect the battery and power the watch on to test touch, display, and sensors. This verifies you fixed the alignment before final sealing. Once confirmed, apply pre-cut adhesive or thin double-sided strips evenly around the frame, press firmly and clip the band back on. If something goes wrong, power off, reseat connectors, and clean contacts with alcohol. If touch or display still fail, replace the screen assembly. This is usually the last resort.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.